Alright, so let's see. These are the screw holes that you guys are going to have to remove. Make sure that your unit is unplugged. Got your screw holes, there's 4 on the back. My SCSI port has already been removed. Just a better look at the 4 screws that need to be removed on the back. SCSI drive is already installed. Let's take this top off. You can disconnect it if you want. I just fold mine over, have it rest on something. My floppy drive was already removed, so that's the floppy power cable, that's the floppy cable. Just tuck that to the side. The floppy power you'll actually use. Here's the SCSI port that was on the back. It was removed. I put the foam board under it, 2 zip ties to kind of hold it down. And that's just to keep the parts from touching the board or wherever you want to place it, just to keep it safe. Just set that off to the side. This is the ribbon cable for that. What you want to do is just make sure that notch goes in. The cable is marked with a red line on it. Just make sure that goes down pin number 1. Cable should really only go in one way. You see that same red line. Just match it up to pin number 1. Should be a little arrow or a triangle. Get that going. Just set that off to the side. Alright, grab our custom cable. Get this going. This end is the end that will go into your drive. Whether it be a SCSI to SD drive or a zip drive. Whatever 50-pin drive you're going to do. Let's get the power plugged in for the drive we're using. Now that that's in, we're going to take the other end, get that mounted to our SCSI port. It's going to connect to the original external SCSI port. And that should just snap in, and you want to apply a little pressure to it. Make sure that it locks in. This is the part, the 2 screws there. You can just loosen them up, take one out. That's actually going to go in there, but before we mount it, we're going to get it tested. Make sure everything works. So we'll just tuck this in here for the time being. Pull the top back over, get this guy plugged back in. We'll get it powered on just to make sure that it's working. And once we have it working, then we'll take get the cable inserted correctly and get the machine closed back up and screws back in.